Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to merge two tables in Publisher vertically. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to merge two tables. This Publisher document vertically. Firstly, insert a table. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the table option. Now we can see here some rows and columns. Now we select rows and columns to insert table. Now we can see we insert a table. Now we want to merge this table vertically. Resize the table some big. Then select the middle rows of this table. Then go to the layout menu and we can see here many options. We select the merge option. Then click outside of the table. Then we can see there are many options. We select the whole table and go to the table design menu. Then click the pen wide and choose 3. Then click line color option, choose black. Then click borders drop down menu and choose all border. Now we can see we make a table, two tables in this publisher document vertically very easily. Otherwise you can use the click this cell and click borders drop down menu and choose no borders. Otherwise use the right border, use the left border and right border. Then we can see we merge two tables this publisher document vertically very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.